I'd like to show you my bow lasting roses. They come in a pack of 7. These are in the pink color. They come in a variety of colors, and they come in this beautiful round box, cardboard box. They are to be lasting 1 to 2 years. If you do take care of them, keep them out of direct sunlight, and the texture is just like the rose itself. It is actually slightly dry but soft, and they are just beautiful. I actually prefer getting these roses than real roses because these will not die, and I love to keep them on my dresser with my favorite perfumes. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.